Hello guys, welcome once again to my video. uh, Always be my message maybe to someone out there who really needs uh, encouragement in their life to face their challenges or go out of the situation they are in, and help them overcome those situations of challenges in life, and to enjoy wherever they are or what place they are staying, or whichever part of the world that you are watching this video, and you're going through situations in your life that is not good. You are not happy and you're struggling to make ends meet, and struggling to make things good so that you can enjoy life. I have one suggestion for you. I have been through all those things, maybe you name it. I've been through it, and I've reached the stage that I realize that that is the level or the choices that I make in life. Maybe it's not too late for you to make the right choice, but I realized, reached the level of choices I make in life, and uh, the situation that I'm in, I used trust, believe, have faith in the Lord Jesus Christ, because I believe millions of people in the world is using that, the trust, believe, have faith in the Lord Jesus Christ, so that they can overcome their situations, and we can enjoy life, because we live life only once. And imagine, half of our life we have been worrying and struggling and trying to make things better for us, but everything is written in the Bible: how to live our life, how to have money, how to enjoy your life, how to go through challenges of your life. And the Bible teaches us that. And when I come to realize that, and I use trust, believe, have faith, and receive, then we come to realize that we only live life once. And if half of our life is struggling and doing that, and there's no point in the purpose of our coming into life. So my friends out there, wherever you are watching, whatever you are going through, I encourage you to trust, believe, have faith, and receive the Lord Jesus Christ, so that wherever you are, or whatever you are doing in life, you can enjoy it. Just like those in those big cities, and those working up there with they enjoy their life. And when we reach this kind of stages with our life, the choice you make, trust, believe, have faith, and receive the Lord Jesus Christ, so that we can enjoy wherever we are or whatever we are going through. So